Hello everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. It's almost Valentine's Day. For today's episode, we'll be making mini lava cakes. When I think of Valentine's Day, I usually think of sweets, chocolate, so I thought this was perfect. It's super simple, really easy, and it has ice cream in it, so why not? So with that, let's get started. For our mini lava cakes, we will need half cup of unsalted butter, 4 ounces of semi-sweet baking chocolate, a half cup of powdered sugar, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ice cream. You can get any type of ice cream, but preferably you would get vanilla ice cream. Any type of topping, so I have some Valentine's Day themed sprinkles, and then I also have some chocolate and caramel sauce. For our first step, we're going to be moving on to the stove. We're going to turn on our stove to medium high heat. We're going to take baking chocolate, all over 4 ounces, half cup of butter. We're going to melt the chocolate and butter down, and then we just want this so it's just melted, no boiling, just so that everything kind of melts together. And make sure you stir almost continuously to make sure nothing burns. So now that our butter and our chocolate have melted, we're going to turn off the heat. What we're going to do is we're going to add our flour, and then our half cup of powdered sugar. And then we're just going to stir this in. For our next step, we're going to prepare our molds. I'm going to grease about 6 to 8 of these. If you want to, you can line them with cocoa powder, and this just helps the lava cakes release from the cupcake molds, and also just like kind of gives that nice finish to it. Alright, so now that we have our cupcake tins prepared, we're just going to move on to our next step over here. So I have the 2 eggs, and then I have my 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk this until it kind of becomes foamy. Okay, so now that we have our eggs all whisked, our chocolate mixture that's at room temperature, we're going to do a little bit of tempering. So we're going to take some of our chocolate, and since this is still at kind of room temperature and it's still a little bit warm, we don't want to put it directly into the pot and then possibly cook the eggs, which would not result in a very tasty batter. We're just going to incorporate a little bit of our batter into our eggs, and this kind of warms up the eggs and gets it used to that temperature. And then we're going to stream our eggs in to our chocolate mixture while stirring. And then we're going to pour this. We have our lava cake in. We're going to pop this into the oven. It's going to bake for around 7 minutes, and then let it stand for 5 minutes. Here are our finished lava cakes out of the oven. With that, thank you guys for joining me on another episode of Owen's Treats, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!